Alright guys, hope you're well. John London here again with a quick tutorial teaching you how to edit your website using the Elementor editor on WordPress. So I'm going to show you how you can add a new post section to your website, just like the one I've added to my website here. So blog post articles, I've got a clean section here. I've got a box shadow behind each of the blog posts here, and I've edited things like this. So I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. So we'll go to a page I've just created called Posts. Click this button here, add a new section, and then in the widgets area we're going to click on the posts. I'm going to drag that into new section, and there you go. You can see this is basically exactly the same as I have on my home page, but it's styled out slightly different. So all I'm going to do is change this from classic to cards. And there we go. So we've got the cards, and you can see we've got a nice little box shadow behind it. So if I scroll down here, so if we click the style button, and then I can show you just a couple of the functions you have here. So border width, obviously if you wanted to have a border around that, then you can do. You can also change the colour of it as well, so whatever you wanted to do really to the style of your website. I normally just keep them on white. Border radius, that'll make the corners rounded off. Okay, so image, let's click on that. So on here you can edit the colour, so that's grey at the moment, so background colour. So I'm going to change that to green just like my one, but you can also change the colour, so you've got all kinds of different colours, but it just depends what looks better on your website, because you might be using completely different colours to what I'm using. And you can also change the text as well, so yeah, it just comes down to personal taste really. And also you can change the size of it. Border radius, so you can either have a square radius around that. Okay, so, and also you can sort of add your avatar into this area here. Content, let's have a look at that. So you can change the title colour, which is this bit here. Typography, so you can obviously change the type of font that you'll be using. The metadata, let's see what that does. Okay, so yeah, this is where the comments are. So as you can see, there's a lot of things you can sort of add to this. And yeah, this is a snapshot of what's going to be wrote out on the blog post. So you can obviously change the image, the color of that as well. So there really is quite a few different ways you can sort of edit your blog post on the web page to make it look really cool. Just keep in mind the type of colors you already have for the background, because you don't want to have a font that looks terrible. You know, you want everything to sort of stand out properly, and you want to make sure everything's clean to read when someone looks at it. So that's it really. So if you wanted to add a new post section to your website, that is how I normally sort of go about it. And obviously on the left here at the Start tab is where you're going to be editing everything. So I could go on, but I think you get the idea. Like I said, on your website, just try it and just practice, and then over time you'll see what works best for your website. So I hope this helped. Take care.